Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back. I have brown hair now. Let me explain, okay? So I know I kind of fell off the wagon with like my makeup tutorials and my spooky stories, and I'm gonna explain why. So basically, I've just been feeling very uninspired and just really unmotivated to get behind the camera and film a video like this. I know I've been uploading vlogs, but vlogging is kind of like, I feel less pressure vlogging because when I'm doing videos like this, you know, I have to make sure everything is on point or at least as close as it can be. I know my eyes aren't even, but as close as it can be. It's a lot of pressure sitting back here behind this camera sometimes, and it just got the best of me. I'm sure it gets the best of everybody sometimes. It has nothing to do with you guys. I'm not going to quit doing my makeup tutorials or my spooky stories or anything. I just needed a real true break. I know there was times where I wouldn't upload a video the day I was supposed to and I was just taking a little break, but I just needed like a really nice long break to just gather my thoughts, get creative again. I was in a creative block. That's what I was in. That is the words that I was looking for. My God. Another thing that had to do with it, and I know it sounds so stupid, was my pink hair. Now, I loved my pink hair so much. I really did. But then we tried to go blonde, and that's why my hair got really light in a couple of videos. But it wouldn't lift from my hair. And I loved the color of the pink, but it also just kind of put a damper on my creativity with makeup because I felt like I was limited to what I could do because I felt like everything just kind of clashed with the pink and it just wouldn't look good and it was just really getting me down. So I redid my hair. I got my hair done. I'm at a neutral color. I think it looks so much better. This right now is just a good place for me because I feel like I can do any color and get away with it. I'm also going to be looking at wedding dresses soon, and I wanted to feel like beautiful and just have nice, pretty, neutral hair for that. So that is what's been going on. It's been nothing serious, I promise. But anyways, I am back. This is the look we created today. Let's talk about this first of all. So I follow a YouTuber. Her name is Make Me Up Missa, and she is such a good makeup artist. She's amazing. I pull a lot of my inspiration from her. Oh my God, she's wonderful. If you haven't looked at her videos, I highly suggest going over there. She's amazing. But she did a look like this, only she used a green color, and I thought it looked so freaking beautiful. And I was like, you know what? I want to recreate that, but I want to make a New Year's Eve glamorous, traditional black and silver and just sparkly New Year's Eve makeup. And this is what it came out. And I'm so excited. I think this looks so good. So anyways, I'm going to stop blabbering because I'm sure you guys want to get into this makeup look. But before we get in, I just want to say and remind you guys to like and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below. Follow me on all my socials. And let's just go ahead and jump right into this video. Alrighty. So I've already primed my lids with my Revlon Candid Concealer. You guys already know the drill with that. And then I needed to use some Scotch tape for this look. So hopefully I can match this up. Let's hope that works. If not, I'm going to feel real silly. So this look is super easy because there's like hardly any blending at all. It's a really quick, easy New Year's Eve look that looks like you took a lot of time. So I'm going to take my Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Liner. It's just the plain black one. And then I am just going to, does this feel right? I don't know. I'm scared that it's not going to be lined up right. And then just trace along your tape. Bring it up as far as you want. You don't have to go as far as I'm going or anything. Hello? Thank you. I'm also not taking that line all the way in just because I don't want it to be such a dark outline right there. It'll look kind of weird. So I'm just taking it to about like the front. These are so not going to match up. That's disappointing. I'm rusty, okay? It's been a while since I've sat down and done this. And then we're going to take this off and pray that they match. And if they don't, get them as close to matching as you possibly can. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm just gonna fill in these edges. I'm only gonna take the black liner like into the outer corner of my eye, and then we're gonna switch to a black eyeshadow. You can use any one that you have. I just had the Jeffree Cremated palette sitting out on my table, so I'm gonna just use the black from this. And then I'm kind of like packing over where I laid that gel liner just to get like an extra security that it's gonna stay. And then I'm just gonna start taking that black shadow and just start tapping it over the edges where that eyeliner ended. Oh my god, I am so rusty. I'm having like the hardest time getting my words out. Yes, that looks good. Looks good. And then I'm going to take the shade Wednesday, and it's just this gray shade right here. And then I'm going to follow that up with this white shade right here. So all I'm doing is just creating my line that I want to come down here. And if you mess up like I did, it's okay. Just take a flat definer brush and kind of just go over the edges. It'll be fine. It will be fine. And then just dipping into that white shade, I'm just dragging it into the inner corner. And then I'm going to go back in with that same Wednesday shade, and just on the edges right here, I'm going to kind of just start to blend them. I'm not worried too much about it, but just a smidge. Telling you guys, the hardest part of this look is just getting that line straight, and then the rest is super easy. So then I'm going to go back in with that white shade and just put that all over my lid. Okay, so now it's the fun part. I'm going to take Distortion by Urban Decay. This is their heavy metal glitter gel, and it's just amazing. And I'm just going to put that all over the entire lid, except for this black part. Don't put it right there. These freaking glitter gels are so amazing. They're expensive as hell, but they are so good. They are a pain in the ass to take off. I will say that. It gets everywhere, but it's so worth it. I am also taking it along the line right here, and I'm going to try and get as close to it as I can without it looking too weird. Just look at that shine. Just look at it. So I had to take a break for a little bit because I had something I had to do, so I have like sunglass marks on my nose because I had to run out for like about 2 hours really. So that's why I have sunglass marks on my face. But we're just gonna jump right back into where we left off. Grab some more of that Wednesday shade, and I'm gonna start just blending a little bit right here. Just kind of going back and forth with the black. But that is pretty much it for the eye look. I'm going to go ahead and do my base off camera, and then I'll come back and we'll finish up the lashes, and then we'll do a lip together. I'm thinking I need to do a nude lip with this. I think a black lip, like a sparkly, glossy black lip would look super cool with this, but I'm feeling like a really pale nude lip. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go do that super quick. So see you in a minute. Okay, so I'm back with some lashes. I just used the ones that I got from Amazon, like that whole big pack that I bought. I was going to do like long bottom lashes, but I think I don't know what I'm going to do with the lower lash line just yet. So I think I'm just going to leave that be for a little bit and just work on the lips. Of course, I'm going to go in with Colourpop BFF after I sharpen it because my lord. My lips are so unbelievably chapped. It's disgusting. Disgusting. And then for lipstick, I'm going to go in with I'm Nude from Jeffree Star. I always forget that I have these, and I don't know how because they're literally right there. So, I don't know. So I think for the lower lashes, I'm just going to keep it with mascara. I really don't feel like fussing around with like little individuals and getting them on there. So I'm just going to throw on some mascara real quick, fix my hair, and then we will get a final look on this New Year's Eve gorgeous look. Alright guys, and this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I am like so in love with this. You guys know I love my sparkles. You know I love my dramatic lashes, my dramatic eye makeup, and this is just speaking to me on a whole new level. This was like a good look to come back to. You know what I'm saying? Like it was a good look to do for my first day back on the job. Yeah, this is lovely. It was so easy to recreate. I know you guys can do this. It's super simple. There's like no blending involved. There is, but there isn't, because everything just gets covered up with glitter anyways. But God, look how pretty that is. I keep looking in my monitor and just catching the glimpses of the silver sparkles, and it is just stunning. So anyways, I really hope you guys like this first look back, and let me know what you think down in the comments below. Also, if you recreate this look, then please tag me on Instagram. I want to see them. Also, go follow Make Me a Missa because she was the inspiration for this look, and she is just top-notch makeup skills, okay? She's amazing. But anyways, I just want to say that I love you guys, and I'm so excited to be back in the swing of doing makeup tutorials again. Yeah, I'm so excited. So don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Leave me a comment. Follow me on all my socials. But yeah, there's nothing else for me to say except I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.